In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your own mappings to control plugins and other parameters inside Logic without using Automap. Let's say we want to control some of the functions inside RetroSynth using the encoders on the impulse. Press on the MIDI button next to the encoders to take them out of HUI mode and put them into MIDI mode. They're now freely assignable. Open the plugin that you want to map, and then go to Logic Pro X, Control Surfaces, Controller Assignments. Make sure that you have Easy View selected, and then select Learn. Now, click on the parameter that you want to map, like cutoff for example. Then, move the control on the impulse that you want to use to control this function. You can now control this parameter using the control that you moved on the impulse. If you have any questions, you can contact our technical support team using the link in the description below this video.